What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. What we're going to be doing today, racing our stock motor FRS versus this BRZ, which is like a stage 2. What's all done in your car, your BRZ?
So it's a JDL unequal headers, no cats, a NVIDIA overpipe, and then NVIDIA N1 all the way down.
And then the OFT, the tune.
Oh yeah, and the stage 2 all stage tune.
All that's done in my car, fully stock. We have a Catback though. It just looks good, but it's slow as shit. Not expecting to beat him whatsoever today. The main purpose of this video is to see how much faster a stage 2 BRZ or FRS is over a stock, essentially stock FRS. A Catback doesn't really add anything to the car. Like, it's not gonna make it any faster. So let's go do some races, do some polls, and see what happens. You wanna honk it off? You wanna do that 3 honks? And just gotta
do a line off right here and then do 3 honks after.
Yeah, just honk it off right now though to the line, and just go to like 50 or something. With this car, being that the tires are so wide, they're 285 rears, and those are probably like 205 rears. So I'm gonna hook up way better off the launch, no matter what. Yeah. But obviously, he like went right by me like Cameron's freaking WRX did. I want to see that. Comment down below if you want to see that stage 2 BRZ, stage 2, whatever you want to call it. I don't freaking care. BRZ that I'm racing right now versus a stock 2015 or newer WRX. Because I know in the last video we did this car versus WRX, everyone wanted to see the stage 2 WRX or stage 2 BRZ versus WRX. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comment section below, and we can definitely make that happen.
Spot just a little bit. Just a little bit.
did I go before the 3 honks? Or did I just hook up really good?
Not sure. But I definitely spun. I'll probably not do launch control.
Yeah, I smelled your tires. Let's go up that way. Let's just do like a 20 roll.
Okay.
Like 20 to 60 or something.
Like, do you want to turn around or some other road?
Just follow me. We'll take a right up here.
All right.
Sound good? Honestly, guys, like I was expecting him to win or pull me quite a bit more than that. Just personal opinion.
Devin is a loser.
What?
Loser.
Well, okay, he's got like we already talked about. He has the full stage 2, like full exhaust system, the OFT, way narrower tires, so a lot less. What would you call that? Rotational mass, I guess you'd call it.
So technical.
Yeah, he should be smoking me.
What gear were you in?
I started on first.
First?
Yeah.
Oh, I was in second, about 2,500.
Oh, really? Yeah, I started on first, that's why. You definitely pulled up me after a minute, though.
Mm-hmm. That's interesting. So, like, were you flooring it the whole time?
Oh, yeah.
Huh. That's weird.
We're kind of running out of light. I got to get a bunch of B-roll shots, but we can do one more.
Let's do another roller.
From 20? From 20? Okay. Let's do that.
From how much?
You want to go from 20 again? In first?
Well, I can do either.
Okay, let's go from 20 in first.
Okay.
Gotta make sure my tire pressure is good.
Cute little touchscreen.
Be good.
Link in the bio.
Link in bio. Yeah, link in description box below if you guys want to cop that touchscreen. That's exactly how it should have been. That was like an actual good race. Because the first time I hooked up way better than him. Second time he was in second gear. That was a good race. That is the race. That's the race to feature. Alright, so as you guys saw from the last 2 races, which those are the good races, That car is quite a bit faster than mine. The first race, I have really wide tires, so I think that's why I got him off the launch a little bit. But as soon as he got going, he went right by me. Second race, I started out in first gear, he started out second. As soon as he got up to RPM, he was by me. But the last 2 races, I think that really shows how big of a difference it is between the Stage 2 BRZ versus the stock BRZ FRS.
Sad.
Sad. You know, the car looks cool, but it's slow as fuck. Let's be real.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think that was a pretty good race? Were you expecting more?
I mean, I was expecting a little bit more. I mean, keep in mind this is about $1,500 in upgrades. Power for the money. I mean, it's up to the individual, really.
Yeah, definitely.
Take away what you want.
It definitely feels a lot better too. Like when he brought me for a ride in his car the other day. The stock torque dip that the FRS and BRZ has, it's completely eliminated with the, was it the Stage 2 tune that did that, or like the exhaust?
The unequal length headers and the tune. The
tune, yeah. So if you guys have an FRS, you'll understand what I'm talking about when I say the torque dip, because it's kind of gnarly. But yeah, that thing runs good, feels good, it sounds damn good too, as you guys heard on the channel. What's your Instagram, bro?
Car's Instagram is bluebrz_.
Or bluebrz_. Go give him a follow. If you're not following me already, make sure you follow me as well. And can't forget the lovely lady behind the camera.
Oh gosh.
What's your IG?
Bobby_Wallace.
Yeah. Go give her a follow.
Oh, I thought you were doing the interviews.
Yeah, that too.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Huge shout out to Mark for coming out and doing these races with me. Wait, these aren't races. These are just little polls out here in Mexico. Yeah, it's a good time. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said earlier, if you want to see a Stage 2 BRZ versus a newer WRX race, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video.